What's up folks, it's Clinto with a new episode of Clinto Make Stuff. As you can see, I've taken delivery today of my new Xtool D1. So yeah, let's get it opened up and have a look what we've got inside. So we've got the new RA2 Rotary Attachment Pro. This is a bit of an upgrade from the original version. Has different attachments. Can hold it all nice and level for making some good engravings on cylindrical objects. Keen to have a play with that, but there's no point messing with that till we've got the actual laser built. See what we've got inside. So it looks like we've got some instructions. Thank you, member. It's a pretty hefty instruction book. Awesome. Oh, and some pretty little stickers. Stick around and we'll see where we get them put. So we've got some, I believe these are the leg extenders, which you're able to make the entire thing taller so you can fit larger objects underneath. Handy dandy little toolkit. And it looks like there's some little scrap bits of materials in there for practicing on. They'll come in handy later. All looks very well built. Got the frame. Yeah, belt rail. Very tightly packed. Oof. So this device does have Wi-Fi, so I think if you want to, you can use a smartphone app. How good that is, I don't really know. It's definitely well packaged. So being as it comes from abroad, we don't have a UK plug, but we'll sort that out shortly. Power supply, got some USB cables, got some things stuck, there we go. It's heavy. so it's quite a bit bigger than I thought actually. And I'm hoping it fits on this workbench. Another rail section. Safety first. See if I can work out how to get in the packet. How you doing? Oh, we're almost empty. Then yeah, so I should add, I bought this, or I ordered this during the Father's Day weekend when Xtool had a sale on. So I bought it as a bundle with the RA2 Pro, and they actually emailed me to say they were struggling with stock for the RA2 Pro, so they were going to ship it with the original rotary tool, and then ship me the RA2 Pro when it came in stock. So quite happy to see, well, the RA2 Pro, but it's pretty cool. I've now ended up with one of each, so awesome. Right, so I'm going to have a little flick through the instructions and see if I can't start getting it put together. So there we have it, it's all built up. That took me maybe half an hour, 40 minutes. It's quite quick and easy, and the instructions were pretty good. A few little things I'm not overly keen on. You've got the cables for the stepper motors. They do just kind of dangle, and I worry that they might end up getting stuck in the work area. But I may have a look at installing some sort of drag chains, probably need to extend the cables. It would probably make it look a lot neater. So next thing is to get the software fired up. I'm told the first thing you need to do is get the firmware updated, and then we'll get it. We'll get the firmware updated, get it up and running, and see if we can't try a little test print. So before I do anything else, power it up, I've just thrown a scrap piece of MDF underneath, because the last thing I want to do is just burn straight into my cutting mat and make a mess of it. Right, so it's been 2 or 3 days since I recorded those bits in the workshop. Just come to edit it together and realised I didn't actually do a summary sort of thing at the end, so we'll do it now. Overall, I'm really happy with how it's all gone. It's worked really well out of the box. Did a little test print with the logo, come out great. I have been messing about doing a few other little bits and pieces, playing around with the software and stuff. I've ordered some more bits of plywood, some bits of acrylic and bits and pieces. I'm going to play around with them and see what I can do, but when those bits come, I'll do another video and start playing around with it and see what we can do. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and if you like what you see, it'd be really helpful if you could like and subscribe, and then also hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified when I've got new videos coming out. But again, yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.